professionalism. Oh,
Sige.
sige, military professionalism.
Ilang sikol ito? Dalawang sikol?
Men who adopt the professional arms submit their own will to allow a perpetual constraints of their own thought. They reject the right to lead, choose to say what they think, to dress as they like. From the
Sir,
moment
isa-isa
they
ka na
become
tao, ha?
soldiers, it needs
Dalawang
an
sikol daw
order
dyan.
to settle them from their
Anong sabaw
space,
nilagay
to move them to that, to separate from their family and to create their normal lives.
Ay.
Word of command, they must rise,
Yan ang future
run,
leaders.
endure bad weather, go out without sleep or food, be isolated in some distant post, work until they drop. They have ceased to be the masters of their own fate. If they drop in their tracks, if their ashes are scattered into four winds, that is all part and parcel of their jobs.
Okay.
Okay.
Snappy ah.
Yung hindi nila solo yan ba?
Snappy ang RA City ah.
Happy yung RCT, oh. Memorize nila yung military professionalism.
Sikul pa yan, sikul. Oh, damihan ng sikul, damihan. Para lumakas. Diyan ang sabaw.